We came, I think,
After about 2 weeks of driving, we finally reached the northern tip of New Zealand. We are now at Cape Reinga. This is the extreme northern tip of New Zealand island. It's such a beautiful sight here. Check it out. I'm now at the northern tip end of New Zealand North Island. After 14 days of driving through pass from Auckland all the way to the end point, we finally reached the lighthouse. Cheers. We drove into Cape Reinga and found a location. It's a campground for a lot of campervans are here. We're just beside the beach, so we're gonna park here and spend the night. So this is okay. So every time when I'm at a campground or when I park for the night, the first thing I do is to turn on the LPG. So this is the LPG gas tank, which I fill it up again the third time, because one of the nights we didn't know, we turned on the gas tank for the heater, and within 2 nights the tank went empty. So I fill up once, and now, because I was so afraid that we got not enough gas, I went to fill up, but actually we didn't use much. So this